Good morning. Now, this is the highest number recorded yet in 24 hours. It is not yet clear whether as a nation we've hit the peak. What is the grim reality that we must come to terms with as a country?
Well, good morning. I want to believe that His Excellency the President is doing all that he can to ensure that Kenya economy is reopened. And all I can say is that in as much as many would be crying around and saying the economy has been not doing so well, and there's a lot of confusion whether we are headed to the right track. But I believe in a matter of principle that the country is set to reopen, and every other person, including His Excellency the President, is doing what it takes, working round the clock to ensure that once the country reopens, every other activity is set to run.
All right, so then you've talked about President Uhuru Kenyatta and doing what he can. How would you rate the governance performance during this pandemic? Do you think all the mitigation steps adopted were worth it?
I believe that all the mitigation steps that have been so far adopted by the government has been set in place and is working in accordance with the policies that have been enshrined, not only in the Constitution, but also as a major, outlook to set every other strategic plan of this country in terms of economy, moving and setting balanced in a manner that would create a trajectory to what is the expectation of the country.
So then what more needs to be done?
I agree that there is a lot that needs to be done. However, what we have done as far as it's concerned right now, I'm referring to the government. What the government has done as far as the economy is concerned simply prepares the country for a great reopening, in my view.
Yes, okay then. In the next few days, when President Uhuru Kenyatta makes his announcement, as a Kenyan